How to transfer files from Android device to laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to connect your USB device to your laptop and as well as to your phone. Once you do, you will see the option of the phone being charged from your laptop. To transfer files, go to the notification bar. Go to charging this device via USB and from this option choose File Transfer Android Auto. After that you simply need to head toward File Explorer in your Android device. Navigate to the document, photo or video which you want to send to your laptop. Once you do, tap on it. Click on Share at the bottom left corner. Scroll all the way right until you find the option of Send to PC. After that, you will be required to send your Microsoft account details. You can simply click on Sign in using the QR code on your PC. After that, you will be good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.